Making smarter decisions for your business is aided by the tremendous skill of data analysis. Microsoft Excel is one of the best tools for data analysis, and its built-in pivot tables are undoubtedly its best-known analytical feature. What if you can have an Excel add-in tool that with one click, you can create advanced dynamic Excel charts and transform your Excel workbook into an interactive and dynamic dashboard? Allow me to share an amazing software that can help you with your skills in data interpretation in Excel sheets. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Pine BI is a VBA-based Excel add-in that enables users to quickly generate sophisticated dynamic charts and transform Excel workbooks into powerful dashboards that are prepared for sharing and presentation. More than 25 of the most popular and complex data analysis and project management visualizations are presented, including waterfalls, actual VS, target charts, Gantt charts, gauges, and many more. All visualizations can be shared with users without the add-in and are effective, editable, and PowerPoint-presentable. No coding skills are necessary to use Pine BI, and while only one license can be enabled on a single PC at a time, it can be transferred indefinitely to subsequent PC. All Pine BI visualizations are editable, just like the built-in Excel charts are. There are no limitations and no user interface. Utilize it as the familiar Excel program. All charts and gauges are capable of dynamic and real-time updating. They are based on native Excel features and perform precisely the same as the built-in Excel charts. Pine BI is built on VBA and native Excel functionality, so the visualizations you've created are still flexible and accessible to all of your stakeholders. Since they won't need to install the add-in, your work will still be fully shareable. This fantastic deal starts at only $99. Save as much as $150 and get lifetime access to Pine BI today. Check out the link below for more details. Take a look at our current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Click the like button and subscribe to receive our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.